guys, welcome to the channel.
There you
Mid-range. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I bring to you Ottocast. Ottocast is a very interesting device. It has a number of features which can transform your car into a multimedia device. So I had done one more video about this, but today is going to be extremely interesting. So let's unbox this device and let's see what it has, what it comes with, whether you should get it for your car. And believe me, I'm going to use a Mazda today to do this, but you can use any car. You can use a Toyota, a Ford, anything, a Honda, whatever it is. This device will work for you. Whether you are on Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it should be perfectly fine. So with that, do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video. We need this channel to go to 1 million subscribers, and your subscription will make that happen. So please do it. And now let's get into the video. So first things first, I am in my car already, and this is the Ottocast device. So you can see that we have the entire wireless CarPlay, Android phone wired screen mirroring. So obviously it's Android Auto. Then we have iPhone wired, and then we have bi-directional control. Okay, so this is the box. This is how the device looks. We'll check it out. Here you have got some different things, like you have got an app where you can download. You have got the model number which says that Ottocast Mirror Touch car adapter, and at the back this is how it's going to look. So this is how you'll be able to actually cast your phone on the car, and this is how it actually looks. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how it is. I'm very excited about this. Let me know down in the comment section if you like such videos, and maybe in the description you will find a code where you can order this at a very good price. So remember to check the description. So guys, this is unboxed, and here I am greeted with the manual. So this is something which is there. You can read it if you want to. It's a nice manual which they have given. Okay, then we have the Ottocast device itself. We have gotten an adapter, which is basically a USB-C to USB, normal USB. So this is an adapter which is I think really good because that is an additional cost. Okay, now here is the car. So you can see the car icon which they have made really nice, and here you have got the smartphone icon. So this goes into your smartphone. So these are the two things which are there. Let's connect it. Let's see how it is, and maybe if you like it, you can go and buy it in the description. And this video is sponsored by Ottocast, so thank you Ottocast for this. So here you will see that the display is now showing Apple CarPlay, okay, which is basically Ottocast. So Ottocast is also connected here, and we have my phone also connected here, which you can see over here. And this is here. Okay, now let's say always enable. Okay, and now we should start seeing the display. So here you go. So now you see three modes. You see Apple CarPlay, iOS Mirror, and Android Mirror. I'm going to look at CarPlay now. Okay, so with CarPlay, it's saying I should go to Bluetooth. Select this, select use CarPlay. Okay, so let's go to Bluetooth. So I'm on Bluetooth right now. Okay, and I see the pairing request which has come here. So I'm clicking on pair. Let's see what happens. So that's what it's saying. It's saying pair request, and the screen is just like that.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now it has come up and it says connect to CarPlay. So I'm going to click on connect, and it should now just pop up. There you go. So now you have the full functionality of wireless CarPlay, and my phone is here, and you can see that it is connected. And yeah, no wires, nothing. I'll go into settings and show you guys how this looks. So this says that it is car 9424 and CarPlay is on and should automatically start. So isn't this fantastic? And Ottocast is connected right here, and it has become green if you see. from blue, so it's basically connected. Also, it's showing my iPhone battery, so it's all real time. Here my iPhone battery is here and it's showing that. Okay, now let's try and operate some things. Let's go to let's go to maps. Yeah, it is actually really fast. And what if I want to go back to Mazda? Yeah, it's going back to Mazda. Again, click on CarPlay. Okay, if you guys are wondering, I'm operating this through my toggle over here because Mazda doesn't allow touchscreens. So there is no touchscreen over here, but yeah, I can operate it through here. And yeah, settings works really well. Let me try automatic. Let's see what happens. So yeah, everything is just fantastic, really fast. Let's change the wallpaper just to see the speed. So there I go, I say set it just, and I have used Apple CarPlay with my car, and it is actually really easy to use Apple CarPlay on this. So now let's also try iOS Mirror and see how it looks on the screen and how the phone gets casted on it. I'll also try one of my YouTube videos so that we can see the clarity. So if you go into iOS Mirror, you have to turn on accessibility and zoom and double tap 3 fingers to reset it. So I'm going to do that right now. So that is how it looks, and I'm just going to turn this on, zoom, and this is how it is. So it has turned on, and now let's click on next. So I have now gone to bunch of tech from the phone, and you can see if I go to view channel or if I play a video. Let me just play the video. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. There you go. Can a mid-range smartphone? So this is it's saying connected to AirPlay, and here you can see the video in full screen. And look at R really do well in gaming. Isn't this amazing? This is super cool. The way it is done up, really good. So I've used Apple CarPlay many times without Ottocast as well, and it is actually the same. You know, the speed level is absolutely crazy, and you can just leave it connected in the car and it will do its stuff. So what do you think about this? What do you think about the Ottocast? I think if your car does not have a wireless Apple CarPlay, or you need to watch something on the CarPlay like Netflix or something, you can do the iOS Mirror and you can do it. Or if you want to only plainly use Apple CarPlay, you can do that as well. Very well done. I really love this device. If your car doesn't support it, you should definitely get it. Doesn't support CarPlay, of course. You should definitely get this, or for that matter Android Auto. You should get this. It is absolutely crazy and really nice. Remember to check the description. If you want to buy it, you can get a good discount on that on the Ottocast. And let me know if you have any questions, and I can answer to all of them. As usual, thanks for watching.